Presenting the Honor Band 5 that helps you track your fitness goals and much more. The band is available in MeteoriteBlack, Coral Pink and Midnight Navy colors. It comes with a 0.95-inch large AMOLED full-touch color display with adjustable brightness that is easily readable both indoors and even under bright sunlight. It also comes with a home button control. The screen displays up to 45 characters with color-coded text and call icons for instantly identifiable communication. The Honor Band 5 features a 2.5D glass. This band is extremely lightweight and comfortable to wear 24/7. The Honor Band 5 comes with a powerful battery that gives a 14-day standby on a single charge. It is compatible with Android and iOS. This band tracks and monitors all your daily activities like step count, calories burnt, distance covered, moderate to high-intensity activities, duration and standing status. It also lets you set targets and notifies you on achieving them. It accurately monitors heart rate and even sleep quality. It also comes with 10 distinct fitness modes for advanced fitness tracking. Get instant notifications for calls, messages and social media apps on the fitness band. With the phone finder function on your band, you can easily locate your connected phone when you are unable to find it. It even helps in remote picture taking for selfies and group photos. The watch is ATM certified, which means it is water resistant up to 50 meters depth with swim tracking feature that recognizes the 4 main swim strokes, records swimming speed, distance, calories and much more. The smart band comes with versatile watch faces to let you style the band display according to your choice. Inside the box you will find smart band, charging dock, charging cable, quick start guide, safety information and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.